What's up YouTube? Today we got another video. Y'all can see I'm gonna show you guys how to make your social overlay for your lives, your streams, your YouTube videos, anything, you know what I'm saying? Y'all can see on the bottom right, I have it right there. So if y'all wanna learn how to do it, just keep on watching and I'll show you guys how to do it. Yeah, let's get right into the video. Alright guys, so first we're gonna go to Google, type in photo feed right here. Y'all see this? Photo feed, type that in. Okay, once you're typing photo feed, make sure you click on it. Well, I go right, look, so go to PSD temples right here. And then I always click on this one so I can get this text right here, alright? So just click on this one, click back text, whatever. Click on it, click it again right there. It's gonna take you right here to this one, alright? So once you do that, double click the text and then type in, I'm gonna type in my YouTube channel. So I'm gonna type in my YouTube. Once you do that, press right here and then go up here, press right here and then double click it and then the size, make it smaller. All right, so make it small, not that big, it cannot be that big. All right, make it small like that. All right, that should be good. So make it small and then place it right here. And then after that, you're gonna have to come over here, look, and double click right here. Make sure drop shadow is on. Go right here, drop shadow. Distance, put it on 0. Size on 10. So put size on 10. And then stroke, put it on 5. Stroke on 5. And then don't turn on counter, alright? So go right here. Outer glow, turn it on. But go back to drop shadow and then turn this to white, alright? So drop shadow, white, okay. And there it is. So now after that, go to Google and then type in YouTube logo PNG right here. Look, YouTube logo PNG. So click that, go to images, and then click on. I always click on this one. So click on this one right here. You don't even gotta save it. Alright, just drag it. Look, drag it all the way right here, and then place it, and that's it. And now make it small. However small you want, you gotta make it like kind of this size. Alright, so make it small like that. And then there you go. Now go right here, double click right here. Go to drop shadow, turn it on. Go to drop shadow. And then stroke, turn on stroke. And then turn on counter. Alright guys, turn on counter. That will make it that look right there. You see that? So make sure you guys turn it on. And then it would just go to the settings. Look, so look. Drop shadow is on 10. Stroke is on 5. It's gonna give the same setting. So you see, it's already looking good. Y'all can see it's already good in there. And now go back over here, look up Instagram logo PNG. Instagram logo PNG. Once again. And then click on this one right here. Drag it again. And then place it. And then make it small. Alright. Make it small again. That's small. I think that should be good. And then place it right here. Alright, place it right there and then double click it right here again. Not on text, then you'll like do something else. So click it right here, double click, drop shadow on, stroke on, and then counter. Turn on counter. Counter on. Alright. So now this is very important, alright? Go to salty right here. Right click on it and then press duplicate layer and then take it out right here and then type in your Instagram again, edit it, and there you go. That's my Instagram right there. Alright, so there it is. Unless y'all want to type in y'all Twitter, look, y'all can get y'all Twitter right here, look. But I don't even have a Twitter, but look, well, I do have a Twitter, but I don't even use it. But look, alright, go to Twitter, click on this one, drag it, do the same thing. Alright guys, just do the same thing and then place it right here, place it right there and then double click it right here again, Go to drop shadow, turn it on, stroke on, and counter on. All right, I can see it looks really good. And then after that, you're done. I think you're done. So now, this is the most important part. All right, to save it, go right here, file, export as, and then click right here, look guys, PNG. All right, PNG. Make sure I do that, and then name it whatever you want. I'll just name it social PNG, and then for YouTube video. So save, and then right here is downloaded. It's done. And look, I'm gonna come right here. Image, logos, PNG, whatever. Just name whatever you want. And then this is the one right here. Go to downloads, and it'll be right here. And then okay, and there it is, champ. This is how you do it. Look, I have it right there already. Look, you can make it small, you know, very small or very big. All right, so yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the YouTube video. If y'all did, make sure you like and subscribe if you're new. And I might be going live tonight, so if y'all want to turn on notifications so y'all can look at my live on YouTube, y'all can go subscribe and everything. But I hope you guys enjoyed. If this was helpful, make sure you drop a like, and yeah, comment down below. Peace out.